Believe in yourself. You all have the power to be something that you've never even dreamed you can be. Nandyan sa inyo yan. It's inside you. All you have to do is to claim it and do something about it. Kasi marami, I claim it, but they don't do anything. What happens? And then nandun lang siya sa natin, sa wish list, di ba? I don't believe na yung sasabihin ng iba, kasi ikaw meron kang resources na wala ako. Kasi ikaw natapos ka ng college, ako hindi. Ikaw ganyan.
Oo.
The most popular, the most famous people who have achieved the greatest things in life have not even finished high school.
Opo.
Pero meron kang determination. Alam mo, when you are determined to do something, by hook or by crook, gagawa mo ng paraan para ma-achieve mo yan eh. And the thing is, ang life natin, it's fleeting. Sabi nga nila, it's such a short life. So ayaw natin dumating yung point na uugod-ugod na tayo, na ochenta na tayo, wala pa tayong na-accomplish.